Welcome to our short video presentation on metal parts machining, where precision meets efficiency. My name is Chris. Today we will take you through the fascinating world of CNC machining, focusing on a specific metal parts made from aluminum alloy, a common material known for its strength and facility. Look at this part. This is no ordinary metal part. It is complex multi-surface and structural component. Our valued customer's product is an optical imaging device, requiring seamless integration with optical components. Time is of the essence, as the machining precision must meet stringent requirements for various directional features and complex capacity. To fulfill the client's demands while ensuring adherence to tight tolerances, we employed CNC machining techniques. With just 12 days, we accomplished what was originally scheduled for 14 days, thanks to our dedicated team and advanced technology. During the prototyping stage, we used the power of 5-axis CNC machining. This cutting-edge technology allowed us to process complex parts with multiple side features in a single setup. This is not only boosted machining utilization but also reduced setup and cycle time, resulting in higher product quality. For subsequent small batches production, we combined the technology of 3x, 4x, or 5x CNC mining with other manufacturing process. By optimizing this combination, incorporating methods such as electrical discharge machining and designing quick change features, we expanded our aluminum part manufacturing capabilities. As a result, we achieved significant time and cost savings. In conclusion, our journey in metal parts machining has been a remarkable one. From CNC machining of aluminum alloy material to embracing the power of 5X technology and optimizing manufacturing process from small batch production. We are committed to delivering exceptional results to our valued customers. If you have any metal parts machining needs or want to explore how our cutting-edge techniques can benefit your project, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. WayKen Rapid Manufacturing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon. Bye bye.